A big morning. Today is my first day at Green Hill School. My goal is simple. I want to find classroom 7B before the first bell, meet my teacher, and try not to feel alone. I stand in front of the mirror with my blue backpack on my shoulders. My white shirt is clean, my dark jeans are new, and my hands are a little cold. Mom smiles and says, "You are ready, Emma." I smile back, but my stomach feels small and tight. On the way to school, I look out of the car window. I see children walking in groups. Some laugh, and some carry footballs. I hold my notebook on my knees. Inside it, I have a map of the school and my timetable. I read the words again. Room 7B, English, 8:30. When the car stops at the gate, I take a deep breath. The building looks big, but I tell myself, one step at a time. Lost in the hall. At the school gate, many students pass me quickly. I walk inside and see a long hall with yellow walls, blue lockers, and many doors. The sound is loud. Shoes move on the floor, and voices come from every side. I take out my map, but it looks different now. I can see room 7A, room 8C, and the science room. I cannot see 7B. I stop near a poster about the school play. A boy with curly hair looks at my map and smiles. "Are you new?" he asks. I nod. "I need room 7B. He points to the end of the hall. "Go straight, then left." I am going there too. My name is Leo. I feel better at once. We walk together, and he tells me the teacher is kind. The first bell rings, but we are already at the door. I am not alone anymore. Meeting the class. Room 7B is bright and warm. There are posters on the walls and plants near the windows. The teacher stands by the board. Her name is Mrs. Carter. She has a calm voice and kind eyes. "Welcome, Emma," she says. "You can sit next to Leo today." I walk to the desk and try not to look at everyone. My chair makes a small sound, and my face feels hot. After attendance, Mrs. Carter asks me to tell the class something about myself. My heart beats fast. I stand up slowly. "Hello, I am Emma," I say. "I like drawing, reading, and playing tennis." For a moment, the room is quiet. Then a girl near the window says, "I like drawing too." Her name is Mia. She smiles at me. I sit down, and Leo gives me a thumbs up. The class feels less scary now. Maybe I can belong here. Lunch with new friends. Lunch is the part I fear most. In my old school, I always sat with the same friends. Here, I do not know where to go. I stand with my tray and look at the tables. Some students talk and laugh. Some seats are full. My sandwich looks heavy on the plate. I almost choose an empty table near the wall. Then I hear my name. "Emma, over here." It is Mia. She sits with Leo and two other students. I walk to them, and Mia moves her bag to make space. We talk about our favorite food and our classes. Leo tells a funny story about getting lost on his first day last year. I laugh for the first time that day. After lunch, Mia shows me where the art room is. She says there is an art club on Wednesdays. I write it in my notebook. I want to go. A good first day. The last bell rings in the afternoon. I put my books in my backpack and look around classroom 7B. In the morning, this room felt strange. Now it feels familiar. Mrs. Carter gives us homework, but it is not too much. She asks me, "How was your first day?" I think for a second and say, "Much better than I expected." She smiles and says, "I am glad." At the gate, Leo and Mia wave goodbye. Mia reminds me, "Do not forget art club on Wednesday." I promise I will come. When Mom arrives, I open the car door with a big smile. She asks, "Did you find room 7B?" I laugh. Yes, and I found more than that. I tell her about my teacher, my new friends, and lunch. My first day was not perfect, but it was good. Tomorrow, I will walk in with more confidence.